Welcome back to another video, guys. So I'm just going to give these nails a quick base coat, and I'll explain what I'm doing. I'm not doing a design today, not really a design. I just thought I'd do something a little different, and I'm just going to show you 5 different nail designs you could do for Halloween, depending on what colour you wanted to wear. Just 5 kind of accent nails. So this first nail, I am going to cover this. I'm using Madame Glam Black. I'm just going to give it one coat because most of this one's going to get covered up. So this is going to be a mummy kind of nail. So I'm wiping that tacky layer off because I don't want any of that black going into my matte top coat. So I'm using Madame Glam matte top coat, and that's going to get cured in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. So we're going to use Madame Glam Perfect White. Yeah, we're going to do a mummy. So I'm just going to start by doing 2 eyes using a dotting tool. You could do these anywhere on the nail. You could do them further up, further to the left. So I'm using a liner brush. You don't need it to be a very skinny liner brush, nothing fancy, because these lines are they're not going to be very thin. So I'm just going to start by putting a border kind of around the eyes, just to give me a starting area. And I'm literally going to cover this nail in white stripes, just crisscrossing them, and yeah, making a bit of a mummy. So yeah, today I thought rather than do a design, I'll just do 4 or 5 different nail ideas, nail art ideas. So if you wanted to paint your nails black, you could maybe use this as an accent nail. I'm going to do a purple one, an orange one. I'm going to show you how I do my blood drips. So yeah, just a few different ideas you could do for Halloween. So I'm just going to carry on doing stripes of this white, crisscrossing them across each other, and then that's going to get cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. Right, again, using my dotting tool, I'm just using the black and just doing 2 little eyes, like that. And now that's been cured as well, I'm going to do this nail in matte, so giving it a generous layer of the matte top coat. And now onto the second nail. So this is going to be a purple nail. This is from Umikk Vivacity Summer collection, number 254, I think that was. So I'm just going to give that a layer of purple and cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. So this is going to be a spider nail. So because I'm painting on it, again, I like to paint on a matte surface. You don't have to give it a matte top coat. I just prefer to paint on a matte surface. So I start by doing a line coming diagonally out of the corner, and then do one on each side of that, and then another one again on each side of those. And then I'm literally just going to join those lines up with like little half moon shape lines. Yeah, little half moons. I'm just going to join all them lines up, and then I'm going to draw a spider. Right, now that's my spider done and been cured in the lamp for 30 seconds, I'm using another Umikk colour 490, and this is just a black, and it's got like holographic glitter in it, and I'm just going to colour the body and the head of the spider in this, and I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds as well. You could use gems to do the body and the head, I see that quite a lot, but yeah, just gel polish today. So this is going to be a glossy nail. Again, a nice generous layer of the glossy top coat. If it still feels a bit lumpy, you can always go over it with another layer of top coat. So that's those two first nails done. Now this one is going to be an orange nail. So these two Umikk colours, I wanted to use the shimmery orange, but as it's a bit sheer, I thought I'll put a solid orange underneath it. So that's all I've done here. This is just going to go under that shimmery one. So cure that solid colour for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to go over it with this. Look at this, guys. How pretty is that? It's beautiful, isn't it? Right, so I'm going to give that a layer of this shimmery orange, and I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. And I'm going to give that a matte top coat as well, because again, we're going to be painting on it. So this is going to be a kind of angry pumpkin kind of face. just using the black, I'm going to paint two triangles for the eyes, a triangle for the nose, and then we're just going to do like a stitched up kind of mouth. And then that's going to get cured in the lamp as well for 30 seconds. I actually really like this nail in matte, but because the next two nails are going to be matte, I thought I'll do it glossy. So again, a generous layer of top coat and cure that for 30 seconds as well. That orange is stunning, isn't it? Right, so this nail, I'm giving it a full cover of Madame Glam Perfect White. I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds, and again, I'm going to give that a matte top coat. And I'm just going to show you how I do my drippy drip nails. So again, Umikk colour number 217. This is a bright, perfect blood kind of red. So I use a dotting tool to do my drips, and I'll just do quite big dots where I want the drips to be. I normally start by doing one in the middle, one on each side, and then one right on the edges. And I literally just use a little detailer brush and swipe up. Just swipe them straight up, and then curve them in a little bit at the bottom and join them up. Just paint, again, like half moon shapes and join them up at the top. And I just think it's a really easy way to do your drips. A lot easier than trying to paint the drips with a brush anyway. So once you've joined all them up and painted it in at the top, I'm going to put that in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. What I did off camera with these blood drips is I gave the blood drips a glossy top coat because I wanted the nail to stay matte and the drips to stay glossy. So yeah, if you want the drips to be glossy, you can just go over them again with a glossy top coat. Right, so this last nail, this is going to be a kind of graveyard nail. I've had to pull out some of these Bella Modas. These are from a purple collection that I got off Amazon. I wanted 3 different shades of purple. So I'm starting with the light purple. And the dark purple that I'm using is from an Angmile collection that I've got. So I'm just going to put a little blob of all 3 shades on my palette. So I've got a really light shade, a medium shade, and this Angmile one is the darkest shade. Now I do start using a sponge with my hands. I start with the medium shade, and I just want it kind of patchy. quite light at the bottom, medium in the middle, and then the dark colour I'm going to sponge around the top. I did have some of those Dibba Dabba ombre sponges. I had 2 actually, and I gave them both away, so I need to get myself another one. So I'm going to cure this first layer for 30 seconds, and then you'll see, instead of using the sponge with my fingers, I've just cut a couple of bits of the sponge off and using tweezers. It's much easier. So again, I'm keeping it quite light around the bottom and the dark at the top, and just blend it in. Don't worry about blending it too much, because you'll see as soon as you put the matte top coat over it, it just helps it blend. So I think I did 3 layers in total. You can do 2 layers, 3 layers, 4 layers, do as many layers as you want, but obviously you don't want it too bulky if you're doing it on your natural nails. So again, keep that dark purple around the top, and I'm going to get that cured for 30 seconds and give that a matte top coat as well. Right, so we're going to do a bit of a graveyard scene. So I'm just starting with a detailer brush, and just use your brush and just do little flicks. Just little flicks up the bottom of that nail to create some kind of grass. And then I am going to draw a gravestone. I'm going to put a cross on top of that gravestone. And then next to the gravestone, I'm going to do another cross, kind of at an angle so it looks like it's fallen over. A creepy graveyard. Can you see how that matte top coat just helps blend it in a lot better? Right, so we're going to do a bit of a creepy, scary tree, if you can get a scary tree. Literally just wiggly lines, guys. I start off with one main wiggly line, and I just build off that. Just little flicks of wiggly lines. You really can't go wrong with this kind of tree. They're so simple. Just don't try too hard. Just literally flick little wiggly flicky lines. I'm going to draw a little bat as well, and that's going to get a matte top coat. I think graveyard nails like this always look so much better in matte, don't they? So that's them all done, guys. Something a bit different. I'm so sorry if you feel like I rushed through this, but yeah, it was a long one, guys. But anyway, that's them all finished. Let me know which one's your favourite. I'm just showing you there. That ghost is my favourite, obviously. It's so cute. I do like that orange one though. That's beautiful. I like the graveyard as well. I like them all. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.